Good morning. It's oh god. It's 6:45 in the morning. Got an early jump today. I'm gonna go see if we can get at least 5 cars. Excuse the hiccups. I don't know why I got them, but my goal is to get 5 cars done today. Let's go. God dang it. Let's go get it. What up, guys? I'm back at work. This is the ridge line I was talking about yesterday that I only blew out. I still gotta wash it. It's super dusty. You can see I gotta cut the paint because it's black, and you can see some like corrections that we could do. The inside is pretty clean. Just gotta fix some of that stuff down there, which would be easy. I could probably do that now since I'm waiting for a wash bay. But all in all, this car should probably be 2-3 hours at max. I came early today so we could knock some stuff out, as you heard earlier. So this should be the first car we get done today, and let's get it to it. Yeah! Alright, so we got a 2019 Kia Soul. It's probably, I don't know how it's gonna be, but look at how Jacob parked that shit. What a dick. It said it's gray, titanium gray, which I'm hoping is silver, not too dark. Probably this one going off right here. It's probably good waxing will work for it. Maybe we might have to cut depending on how bad it is. Paint looks good. Paint looks really good. Let's see if it's clean. Hey, let's go. Okay, that's gross. Every time I see a Soul, I think of those little stupid hamsters. So we're about to go hamster on this and get it done quick because we need to get 5 done today. We're already done with that ridgeline. Obviously in the Kia will be 2. I'm hoping I can get this one done by 11-ish. I don't want to stay there. Hopefully I can get this one done by 11-ish, and then by 12 we can start our 3rd one. 12 to 2 we could do our 4th one. 2 to 4 we could do 5 and then go home. And then tomorrow I have a half day. We can get 2 done then. That puts us at what? We did 3 yesterday. 4 today, that's 6. We'd have to get 3 done on Wednesday, which is definitely doable. We had to come in super early, and that's for me to get 10 a week. 10 would be 40 hours, obviously. But I'll see you inside. Probably in the wash bay, actually, because it is pretty clean, so. finished that Kia Soul. Now we're on to this Nissan Rogue. It looks pretty clean. It's white, so we don't gotta cut or buff it, cut and wax it, I guess. Dude, my only concern is when I opened it, yeet, you look down there, you can see all that good, yummy stuff, but that's the only dirtiest part I've seen. So I think I'm just gonna take this guy in the wash bay again, so I'll see you guys inside. Let's cheese it bag. Probably from the text. Yeah, this is definitely a rental car. So it's pretty clean for the most part. See all in the wash bay. Finished that white Rogue, that Nissan Rogue. Now we're on a black Ford Escape. It's a 2014. It's probably destroyed, but oh well. Hopefully it's clean, because I literally watched the two dickheads before me just skip over it because it was black. So I'm hoping it's pretty nice and neat, and that way I don't have to do as much and I can still blow past them because they're assholes, and it is clean. That's from the text trying to make it dirty. So let's get it. I mean, it's dirty, but it's not like as bad as I thought it was gonna be. So with that being said, I'll see you guys inside. So we can blow this out. I don't know if I'll finish it. Maybe I will. It's only 2, almost 3. I could probably finish it. And then that'll put me at 4. And then, yeah, finish the day tomorrow with 3, hopefully, before 12. Oh well, this day is over now, so let's get on with the favorite part, right? If I could unlock the door. Turkey boy. Sleeping. I think they are.
I like hot cheaters in Dada.
Who's Vernon?
He's downstairs.
I have no idea.
Dada, I like these cheaters. They're hot. You scared me.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
I love you.
Love you.
I'm gonna hang out with them for a little bit and then I'll check back in later. Nice.
What is up, guys? This is gonna be my second vlog going on my channel. This is gonna be really fun. It's gonna be really fun. I'm gonna go see Spooky. Spooky Wookie. Spooky Wookie, turkey. I got him. There's Swooky. And I'm just gonna go see the fish. Those are fish. This is a sucker fish. Look at that guy. He's fat. He's getting fatter. And this is going to be really fun. Because I might... I stepped on a toy. And he's over there. We only got like 2 minutes on the vlog. And then it's going to be over. This is going to be like a quick vlog. So, yeah. We're going to go to the trampoline and jump like last time. Okay. I was checking how much time we have left. We're hopping on your trampoline. Go this way. Ow! It hurt. Alright, 1 more minute and the vlog's gonna be over. This is just gonna be like a quick little one. It's just about 100 degrees outside. Turkey.
Turkey can stay on our trampoline.
No, but what if we jump on him?
He can do it. See? Look, see? But delicious.
Ding dong, dude.
Hi, Boggy. Hi, Boggy. What are you doing? Let's go so high up.
There's the pool. I'm at least gonna vlog for 4 minutes. Because it's a short one. Spooky, wookie. Spooky, wookie.
Let me show you my favorite trick.
Okay. There you go. See? Lukey's favorite trick. Come on, go. The vlog's gonna be over. What the?
Our dog is under our trampoline.
Say goodbye to the vlog.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Don't hit the camera.
I will crack that.
You'll crack it?
Yeah.
It's already cracked, you jerk.
No, it's over here.
Yeah, look at it.
Then
Look right here and say, I love you. Get that off. Ha ha, ribbit.
I love
Unribbit.
it.
Ha ha, ribbit. Unribbit.
Ha ha, love it. Ha ha, love it.
Oh.
Ha, love it.
Ribbit.
Hey, that's
Unribbit.
hey.
Hey.
Ha, love it. Love it. I love it. Love it. Hey.
Unribbit.
Hey. Love it.
Unribbit.
Love it. That is fun. for them.
You gonna keep them there all night?
Yeah. Good. Hey!
You're gonna fall.
I'll put that in the trash.
It's
Yeah.
fucked up.
No.
I'll take Dada. I'll take Dada out of this world.
Oh, this what?
This ghost town. I'll
Right on that one.
take you out of this
You're
world.
mean.
Yeah, you're a
so
jerk.
mean.
I will
Jerk.
take all
I
of
don't
you.
know
kick
about
you.
that.
I will put you in jail.
No, you won't.
Yeah?
I'll put you in jail.
No?
Yeah,
I will cry.
good.
I will punch you.
No, you won't.
Yeah?
No, you punch me, I punch you. Miss me.
Rubber! Rubber!
unrib it.
Rubber!
Unrib it, unrib it, unrib it.
Hey!
Hey, got your nose.
I got it back.
Oh,
I'll
I
rub it.
just threw it across the house. How'd you get it back?
Then get it back.
Got it back. Yeah.
got
To
it.
it. No. Oh, got it. To it. I to it.
I got it. I got it. Bye.
Bye.